Okay, so I had to record on this camera that I really don't like, but I got my EXO Overdose albums. Oh my gosh, there they are. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Joseph, do you like them? I'm with my little cousin. He loves seeing me open my stuff. So I will open what? You want a poster? Oh, next time. You already have a Growl poster. Okay, so this is XOM one, and I'll open this one first. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's hope I get Lei. Or Chen. Or anybody. Okay, so here we go with the XOM one. I have not opened it, but I'm taking off the lid. And I slid it off so I could open it easily. Oh, okay, okay. What did I get? I knew it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh wow! I told Joseph, I was like, who am I gonna get? I got Tao, Joseph. Do you like Tao? Oh my gosh! I'm so happy! Oh, how cute! Okay, well, that's, yeah, so I got the Tao photo card. So there you go. Sorry this is not really good quality. T for Tao. Oh, I hate this camera. Basically it says not for sale and the HTTP smtown.com. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. No, that's just the paper. And then the CD, and it has the title tracks, those little gray words or silver words. Can't really see them. This doesn't focus. I'll open that one right now. So that's it. Okay, so I put this folder back here, so you could see the difference or whatever. Okay, so here's the first page. Luhan. Schumann, second page, and this is just black. Oh my gosh, I love this picture. Oh!
Chris.
And?
Tao.
Yes.
And Chris.
Just Tao. Chris. Oh! Lei! Yes, you know.
Let me see, that's her.
That's her, okay. And then Chen. Oh my gosh, this is such a good picture. Aren't they all? And Luhan.
Oh, Sharon. I wanna. Yo quise regalar unas tarjetas.
Yeah.
The Tao, the Chris.
Oops. Schumann. The whole page. Whole 2 pages.
Sharon. Ya me te escribiendo my best porque yo no puedo.
Okay. Chris.
Chris.
I'm like shaking.
And Lei.
And Lei, yes. Look at Lei. I love this one. And then Chen looking all swagged up. Did I just say that? Oh gosh.
And this?
And who do you think this is? Luhan.
Luhan.
Yeah. And Schumann. Oh my gosh, he looks so good here. Well, I mean, like, this suits him well. And then Tao. Oh, Tao.
Sharon.
Oh, I love this one. I love this picture of Lei. Chris. Chen. Yeah. I wonder, are both photo books? They're different, I think. Yeah, this has all XOM. Luhan. Lei. Oh, this is a lot. Schumann again with his bandana. Sorry for the glare. Chen again. Chris. Oh, this is really nice. Sorry, I'm putting my foot there. I like this one.
Mejor, escribe el de ese póster y my mom. ¿Qué te llevo un póster?
Okay. Schumann. Tao.
What's that?
Chen. Doesn't look like Chen, huh? And
Se parece como
Chris. It's not Chris.
Oh,
Tao. Oh, no, Tao. Oh, what a
this
good.
is Tao.
Oh, Lay. I'm
And
sorry, this sounds so annoying. Chris. It's Chris.
he's looking.
He's looking that way. Okay, I hope I didn't skip any pages, but Chen. Oh. Do you want an album, Joseph? And then just the last page is the credits. Oh, no. The lyrics. And that is it. Oh, got a little smudged. But look, little seal. And that is for EXO. It's really nice. Okay, so now it's EXO version, and I'm gonna make a guess. I think I will get Baekhyun, but I don't know. We'll see. Joseph, who do you think I'm gonna get? Okay, we'll see. So we open it. This is the white one. D.O! Oh, how cute! Oh, I didn't expect him. Oh my god, D.O, Joseph. D.O. D.
Igual you touch it.
So here's a card. Hold on, Joseph.
You touch it como la de like that.
Hold on. Okay,
Porque
so
hay bueno,
that. And then there's a CD. Pretty. With the titles. The songs, I mean. And hold on, Joseph. And then right here you could see D.O, Suho or Sehun, Kai, Suho or Sehun, Baekhyun, and D.O. I mean, and hold on, Joseph. I mean Chanyeol. Sorry, this is for Chanyeol. This one's for Chanyeol. Can't even see. Okay, there. Okay, so first page is Kai.
Kai?
Seductive.
Kai.
Yes, Kai. Sehun. Oh, I wish I got Sehun too. It's okay. Kai. D.O. Oh, this one's a really good picture. He looks really eyebrow game strong, you know. Suho. Baekhyun. That's the M1. Don't. Chanyeol. My hand's so disgusting. D.O. Brad. Baekhyun. Suho. Sorry, I can't hold the camera. Chanyeol. Sehun. D.O. Kai. Oh, Baekhyun. I like this. Suho. Sehun. Big boy. Baekhyun. Chanyeol. Okay, stop saying their names. Keep this over there. Chanyeol. Oh my gosh. D.O. That hair. And last picture page, I believe. Suho. Full page. And then the lyrics. The credits. And there's the new symbol. And that's the K version. So these are my Overdose albums, and now I'm just waiting for the posters, and I ordered 2 because it was just about $3 more for a second one, and yeah, so I'm just waiting for that. And I also got these Polaroids, the Miracles in December Polaroids, the Lay version. And I ordered these on eBay. They were about $6 for all 3 of them. And yeah, I love them so much. They're really, really pretty. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!